In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Valorant on your laptop or your PC. So we are going to do that by using the browser. So open up your browser. I use Chrome in this demo and search for Valorant. Okay, now you need to check that you've got the right website, so playvalorant.com. I will also add the link in the description. And on this page you can choose for Play Free or Play Now. To install Valorant, we select Play Free. And you need to have a wired account. So if you have a wired account, you can sign in. If you don't have it, you can make one here. So we choose Make One. Now you insert your email address. So after you've created an account for Riot Games, you can now select Download. And you need to insert your date of birth again. So please do that. And continue. And then you can download it. So as you can see over here, it starts to download. It can just take some time, and when it's done you can select it from here. You can also go to your download folder. So you go to File Explorer and then to your downloads folder. Here you will see it also. So you need to run this. So double click it. And now we're going to install Riot Games. So you can also change the path for the installation. I will keep it like this and I select Install. And now as you can see, it's installing Riot Games. Here you can see the time that it needs to install. I've got a quite fast network connection, so it depends on your network connection how fast it installed. And after that it opens the Riot client, as you can see, and now you need to sign in with the account that you've just created or your existing account. And you select this button over here. Okay, terms of service again, you can read it, go to the bottom of the page and accept. And you can enable auto updates if you want. I select not now. Enable two-factor authentication if you want to. You can also do that later. And as you can see, it is installing Valorant. So you just need to wait till this one is done, and then you can play Valorant. But we need to wait for now. So after Valorant has been installed, it's possible that you need to restart your system. So I'm going to do that now. So after restarting your system, you will now see the play button underneath Valorant. So we select play, and over here you insert your game name. And now you can launch Valorant from your desktop. And this is how you can install Valorant on your PC or laptop. I hope the video was helpful for you. If it was the case, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.